I think we're still moving in the right direction. You know, Valencia was a very strong team, and even in that game, you know, after being down the whole time, we had the opportunity to win the game late in the game. We took the lead, but you know, Thomas hit a lot of great shots that game. But I think this week we're bouncing back pretty well. Coach is preparing us very well, and we're working very hard this week. I think it's in the back of everybody's mind, but you know, we have to take it one game at a time. And right now, Murcia is in front of us, and we have to obviously win this game, especially at home. Yeah, we talked about that today. We watched some video and saw how they play. So, you know, hopefully being at home, you know, we have a little bit of advantage. You know, we can play and match their intensity. You know, I think we can be a physical team when we want to. So I think we just have to make sure we do that. With the expectations that people have for us before the season started, I think we're doing a little better than that. But there's still many games that we played this year that we could have won and we didn't win. So I think we can do better. Yeah. I think, like you said, I think I can do a lot of things. So it's just about, you know, me looking at the opponent and seeing where I can take advantage of my strengths. So last game I was able to play some more low posts, and you know, I think many teams that we face this season, I can do things like that. I think over the course of the last few games, you know, our system just allowed me to get those shots. I think anybody can have the opportunity to depend game to game. So, you know, I guess it's just been my moment right now. Anybody can have a game like this on our team. A lot of guys can play. I think I can. In every team I played with before, I rebounded very well. You know, played better defense. So I think I can improve on a lot of those things, and shot the ball from the free throw line even better too. So I think there's a lot more I can improve on. And you know, week to week I try to improve.